Hey, how's it going? I thought I'd do a little quick video of what's next. It seems like every time I think I'm getting ahead, I find more stuff to do, and I don't even know where to start sometimes. So let's flip it around. I'll show you all the parts I've got and what's gonna go on next, and then I'll try to upload a couple more videos of what I did, how I did it, and why I did it. And also, I'm doing this in a one-car garage, so as you can see in the background, it's not very big, and I got parts and boxes and stuff everywhere. It's nuts. So here we go. Like I said, we got the trans cooler. I've got all the fluids, I think, brake fluid, oil. We got new fans. I'll show you that here in a second. We got the steam crossover kit down here somewhere, and that's the fan relay. Here's the steam crossover kit from Raceworks. There's the trans cooler. Here's the radiator. It's actually from a 98 Camaro, so it does have the low coolant sensor port, which I'll plug off. This is a 3-core from Champion. Shroud, I think I got from, I order all this stuff on different websites. The two 12-inch fans. We got the fuel line. This is PTFE. All the 6AN fittings. Let's see, we got some of the wrap. In case I get fuel line next to the header, I'll put that on. The strut tower is just sitting there for right now, kind of just mock it up, see how it looks, see what it looks like. We did get the 92mm throttle body from Fast. We got the fuel pressure regulator. I got the gauge kind of just hanging out on there just to see what it looks like. Fuel pressure regulator. Manual master cylinder. Proportioning valve. Got this kit from Raceworks. Come with the adapter. I did take the brake pedal off and drilled it out, so it's a 6-to-1. I need to put the fluid in there, bleed brakes. Oh goodness gracious! Let's see. Here's the front brakes. We got that. Of course, got the cover on, but yeah, all this in a little one-car garage. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do yet. Like I said, brake lines. Oh, the transmission coolant lines. I'm going to have to freaking take the engine out of the brackets and drop the transmission. It's driving me nuts. It's under here. To get to the dang trans cooler lines. Didn't even think about it when I put the trans in. So that's going to be a pain in the rear end. So yeah, feel free to like, subscribe, comment below. And as I go, I'll do little video clips of what I've did and how I ran it and installing all this stuff. I'm going to have to modify this shroud. It's a little longer. I kind of got it, even up there. We'll trim this off, let it go down flash. I'll probably just cut this off across the bottom and maybe get it screwed in, riveted onto here. Same thing with the fans. A little bit of modification, but that's what you run into when you get parts that really aren't supposed to fit together, but I'm going to make it work. Thank you.